Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Sora AI. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, if you search for Sora AI on the web, you will be redirected to this web page on this website. All of the videos that you are seeing were generated by this AI. You just need to give a prompt and it will generate a video for you. Currently, you can see that if you scroll the website, there is no option to use this software. That's because currently the team is looking into this tool and in a few days it will be available. But here you can see it is written that it is becoming available to red teamers to assess critical areas for harm or risk. So once they are through with it, the software will become available for personal use in public. So that's basically how you can use Sora AI. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.